Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. Today I've got a new pair of earphones to show you all. Since the past few days, a lot of people were asking me to make a video on budget earphones with microphone in the price range of around 500 rupees, so I just had to make a video on that. Today in this video, I'll unbox and show you this new pair of earphones from Boult Audio, and the model of the earphones is Loupe. They're wired earphones with a microphone and cost only around 500 rupees. So let's get started with the video. The Boult Audio's Loupe earphones come in this sort of box packing. You've got a picture of them at the back, and below we've got some details regarding the product. They come in two colors, black and red. I've got the black color variant. Okay, you've got some features here. They have built-in micro woofers, produce deep bass and 3D acoustics, has a built-in microphone, ear loop designed for snug fit, and comes with an L-shaped connector. So those were some of its features. Now let's get started with the unboxing. I want to thank Boult Audio for sending me this product for review. So the outer cover slides out like this, and this is how the inside looks like. We've got a pouch over here. I guess the earphones are inside it. We'll just check it out in a moment. Along with that, you get a warranty card in the box. This product comes with 1 year warranty. So these are all the items we got in the box. Now let's check out the earphones. The earphones come in this carry case. It's a simple black pouch with the Boult Audio branding on it. The quality is okay. Let's just open it and see what do we have inside. Alright, in the pouch we've got the earphones and a packet of accessories which include 2 pairs of extra ear tips in different sizes and also a shirt clip. Now let's finally check out the earphones. So the Boult Audio's Loupe earphones come like this. Let me just untie them. There we go. So this is how they look like. They've got a cable length of 1.25 meters and look decent in black color. Plus one more awesome thing is they also have built-in magnets, so you can attach them like this when not in use. Now let's have a closer look at them and talk about the design and build quality. The Boult Audio's Loupe earphones have an ergonomic design with angled ear tips to fit nicely in your ears. The outer cavity is made of high quality aluminum alloy and they're also magnetic. You've got the Boult Audio logo here and the ear tips are also nice. They're made of silicone and feel soft and durable. One more thing I'd like to tell is these earphones have built-in adjustable ear hooks. You can adjust the ear hook size just like this so they fit perfectly in your ear and do not fall off even while working out. For the price tag of 500 rupees, the Loupe earphones definitely give a premium feel. Talking about the cable quality, it's got a high quality Kevlar core cable which is strong and durable. The cable runs down to this connecting point where you have an inline remote. You've got the Boult Audio logo on it, and on the other side you've got a media control button. It only has a single media play pause button and a microphone beside that. The quality of the button is nice. And this is its L-shaped 3.5mm jack. Now let's talk about the comfort and the audio quality. The Boult Audio's Loupe are quite comfortable, they're lightweight, fit nicely, and the noise isolation is also good. Coming to the audio quality was good for the price. The mids were clean, you could clearly understand the dialogues, but I felt the mid frequencies were slightly boosted. The treble was smooth and nice, and coming to the bass was also good. It was producing deep punchy bass all thanks to those built-in micro woofers. The TRHD was less up to 85% volume level, beyond which you can feel slight distortion in the audio. And the audio output was also really high and satisfying. On the overall, for the price tag of around 500 rupees, they were offering really good quality audio. You will definitely be happy for the price what you're paying. It also has a microphone on it, and the mic quality was decent during call conversations. So that was my review on the Boult Audio's Loupe wired earphones. They're good earphones on a budget. The build quality is nice, have built-in magnets, feel comfortable, and offer good quality audio. They cost only around 500 rupees. I'll just leave links to them in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you all liked it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.